Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN DriveSmart navigation. In this video I'll show you how to attach it to front windshield or dashboard. Firstly, let's prepare this holder. As you can see right here, we've got this plastic firm. We have to tear from this glued holder. Before you stick it to the front windshield, make sure to carefully degrease front windshield into place you are going to stick it, because when you don't do it, this holder will fall. This is a classic suction holder. Let me just put it back for now. And then we've got the second part of the holder. This one goes here. You have to push it. And now when it's pushed, we can assemble it with the navigation. You can do it both ways, here and here. Just notice that on the top and bottom we've got two holes we have to fit the holder into. Once it's done, you can change position of the holder and then simply suck it to front windshield by pushing this lever forward. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.